Unlocking the secrets of manifestation, especially in challenging circumstances like a stuck car, requires a strategic approach. If you encounter obstacles, consider these highly effective techniques. I've curated a treasure trove of manifestation videos, including a bespoke creation by me. Some endorse distinctive methods, likening manifestation to a mental manufacturing process, with imagination as the dynamic force. Your thoughts possess the extraordinary ability to materialize externally, albeit visualization may pose challenges, particularly in the face of life's adversities. Before embarking on the journey of manifestation, whether for a car, home, financial abundance, or a fulfilling relationship, indulge in a nightly ritual of observing your surroundings. A mere glance around your home can unveil the plethora of existing treasures. Often, we encapsulate ourselves in our thoughts, oblivious to the abundance present in our immediate surroundings. Contemplating the potency of manifestation, visualize the clothes you adorn. Someone's visionary idea of the perfect shirt has materialized into your attire. Similarly, musings about a cozy sofa or the indispensable need for electricity have blossomed into tangible realities within homes. Your thoughts wield the power to sculpt your reality, whether it's the dream of a vehicle, a plane, or a groundbreaking platform like YouTube. The core message resonates with the acknowledgement of your thoughts' impact. If others can transmute their desires into reality, why not you? Keep in mind the pivotal track. Initiate your thoughts about manifestation from the inception. If they've achieved it, so can you. This forms the crux of the paramount trick, and more pearls of wisdom will follow. In the ensuing segment, let's delve into seemingly inconspicuous facets of life. The garments you wear, the meals you savor, the cherished toys from childhood. Each represents a manifestation. Often, the true value lies in the seemingly effortless, overlooked details. Pause to appreciate the items around you, acquired through your unwavering efforts. To consider your innate ability to manifest not solely colossal dreams, but the smaller victories peppered throughout life. Even as a child, you manifested toys and simple joys effortlessly. Embrace gratitude for the smaller manifestations. They serve as the bedrock for monumental accomplishments. Lastly, acknowledge the potency of incremental manifestations. Even a solitary rupee, when multiplied, burgeons into substantial wealth. Your ability to manifest isn't an alien concept. It's a skill you've subtly honed in various life facets. Acknowledge both the monumental and the minutiae manifestations seamlessly interwoven into your life. In summation, the art of manifesting is intrinsically woven into your existence. Embark on your journey by nurturing smaller manifestations, cultivating gratitude, and gradually progressing towards loftier goals. Remember, you've been a manifester all along. It's time to consciously amplify and channel that inherent power.